instruction video for Perroquet.Mov. So this is the Perroquet.Mov that you will receive. Then you have the accessory holder, you have the visor, this one accessory, and the UV lens with the clip. So we're gonna start unfasten the ring. In order to install the other accessory, you have to take off. It's pretty easy, just like push it, and that's it. You take this off, and then you insert the first accessory holder. Then you add the visor, the little accessory, the UV lens, then just install the clip. There's a little space where you can put the points of the clip. So it's pretty easy. Then just fasten once again. And it's ready.